to my channel. Welcome to my new house. For today's video, I'm doing an empty home tour. I can't believe the day has finally come. I'm moving everything into this house tomorrow. It really feels just like a dream come true. But before I moved everything in, I wanted to show you guys a before. So before I start doing any paneling on the walls, before my furniture comes, I am getting a new couch and everything. But for now, I'm using the stuff that I have at my condo because furniture is so back ordered everywhere. I did pick up a few new pieces, so you'll see that in my vlogs and my home decor videos. And I also wanted to talk a little bit about the builder of my house. The builder of my house is Construction Voyer. I went with them honestly because they had all of the, okay, so let me back up. I didn't build this house, like I didn't design everything in this house. It was a development, so they had the plans, like different plans I could pick from, and then I could pick like my floor, my kitchen, I can do add-ons, and all of their options that they had were what I wanted. So like if you look at the floor here, it's kind of like a light oaky floor, which is exactly what I wanted. Sorry, it needs to be broomed. So I did upgrade my kitchen to this option, but they had exactly the kind of kitchen I wanted. Everything, like the style, the stairs, everything was exactly what I wanted, which is why I went with them. Now, I did talk a little bit about the delays that I had with them and the price increase. And of course, I wasn't happy with it, but I have to say, in the end, after hearing like other people's stories building, like we were building in a pandemic, compared to other stories that I've heard, my delays were in total around 4 months, which isn't crazy. And there was a slight price increase because the cost of materials went up. But overall, I have to say, I'm very happy with my house. I'm happy with everything so far. If that changes, I will keep you updated. But that's who built my house. I know I got so many questions, and if you want to know how much I paid for my house, you could check out this video because I said exactly how much I paid, and that included the price of the land and the house. I know a lot of you guys were, well, not a lot of you guys, but I got a few questions about that. So without further ado, I think we should get into the tour. I'm going to be talking also about the lighting because I got a lot of questions about that and just some facts. So let's start at the front door. Okay, so we're at my front door. I have this huge window next to my door, which I actually got frosted. I will leave the company I used to do that down below. They were amazing, super fast. You can do this yourself, but every time I try to do that, it just looks like a bubbly mess. So I did get it frosted. And for my lock on my front door, I went with a schlag. If you haven't transitioned to a keypad lock, you need to. Your life will be changed. You can also use a regular key. You can unlock it from your phone. Different people can have different codes, so you can know exactly who's going in your house at any given time. And it's just an amazing lock. I have a different one at my condo now, and this one is a little bit more expensive, definitely an investment, but so worth it. Through here, we're not going to go in here. Well, I'll give you a peek as to why we're not going into here, but it's just like a huge mess. It's my mud room. Eventually, I want to get that all like with built-ins and done nicely. Also, this door hasn't been painted yet. That's why it kind of doesn't look like it matches, but through that door it leads to my garage. Now, if you want to look up, that light is from eBay. I'm absolutely obsessed with it. It has black iron and gold or brass details, and I just really love it. It was super affordable, came super fast, and I think it's still available, so I'll leave it linked down below. You know, with movers and painters and everyone coming in, I wanted to keep the protection on the floors. So for my stairs, you can see it's like a big focus point, which is what I honestly fell in love with. I got a lot of comments asking what am I going to do about Leo, and honestly Leo was scared to go up any stairs, so I doubt he will even try to attempt these. But if I see that he gets a little bit daring. If you have little kids, if you have like dogs, like little dogs that love going up the stairs, maybe I wouldn't get this, but I just loved how open it made the house feel. So if you see outside the windows like these weird things going on, they're working on the outside of my house, so it's just a mess in here. I also don't have doors because they're getting painted in the basement, but you'll see that. So if you come through here, here is my living room area. So for my paint, I picked Simply White from Benjamin Moore. I did a flat finish on the walls, a flat finish on the ceilings. I had it all painted the same color. And for the trim and my doors, I also did Simply White in a semi-gloss, just because I wanted it to all look cohesive. I wouldn't say it's a warm white. It definitely leans on the warmer side, especially compared to like a cool white or the primer I had on my walls. but it's a very delicious white. I did bring over 2 of my bar stools that I got at LD Shop. These were a little bit of a splurge, but I love the boucle. I love the natural wood. It kind of, I don't know, I've been loving natural wood elements. And so for my island, I picked a darker wood shaker cabinet island situation. My countertops were the one things, like now I like them, but they're not my absolute favorite. Wouldn't be my #1 choice if I could pick out of all of the countertops in the world. They're a quartz countertop. They're just a simple white, and I think it flows nicely. For on top of the table, I got this light from Francis & Son. It is the Bridget light. They have it at a few places. I'm not obsessed with the color of it, but I think once I have everything else in here, I'm gonna like it a little bit more. For my pendant lights, I got them from Wayfair. I don't love the size. I wish they were just a smidge bigger. I have at home, but without a screen, and I use her all the time to listen to music. And I saw they had this one. She actually follows you around when you're, you know, I have it disabled, but she will literally follow you around and watch you, which is kind of creepy. Like if I'm over here and I say, Alexa, it looks at you. I like her because there's a camera on it. You can check what's going on in your house. You can watch Netflix on it if you're cooking. Also, you can unlock your front door. You can lock your front door. Definitely a little bit pricey, but I've already used her a ton. I'm really happy with her. I do have to get little knobs on the cabinets. I have to get my appliances. This fridge is actually from IKEA. It's the fridge I'm going to put into my garage after my appliances come, but appliances are also very back ordered. I got this runner from Rugs Direct, I believe. I'll leave it linked down below. It is beautiful. I love how it looks in the sunlight, but it's super rolled. And oh my gosh, I need to vacuum, don't mind that, but it's a delicious runner. You wanna take a peek at my spice drawer, I'm very proud of that. And then, you know, I'm still going through deciding where everything goes, but these poles I am changing. I'm changing the ones on the island to gold. I think it'll just tie in the warm tones. Now here, oh my gosh, this is my pantry. It is actually my recycling station at the moment because I just have so much recycling and nowhere to put it. So it's all just like shoved in there, and my door hasn't been painted yet. But another thing I wanted to talk about, another upgrade I did on my house is the really high doors. It wasn't honestly that much of an upgrade, but it really added to like the grandness, I thought. And the ceilings are pretty high, so I thought it just went really well. But you can see the difference in paint color from the primer and the paint.
You can't really see it that much in the camera.
Oh. Sorry about the hammering. Like I said, they're working outside. Here is the powder room. So I have 2 sconces that are going in. They're from Union Electric. Here is from Wayfair, and I will be changing the faucet and hardware to gold, to have a whole gold moment. A lot of the details in my house are black and black iron, but this I really wanted warm and gold. And I'm probably going to do paneling in here as well. And then here there's like a little pocket door. And here's my laundry room. So eventually, like I have all these standard shelves, eventually I want to upgrade them, but they work for now. Okay, so we come upstairs. So at the top of my stairs to the right, we have the spare bathroom. Here we have, I need to clean that light, but just a spare bathroom, nothing crazy, shower, sink. So the chandelier is from Visual Comfort. They sell it at a bunch of places. Union Electric has it. They also have it in smaller sizes. They have it in sconces. They have it in gold. They have it in a bunch of different options. I love it. I love it. I think it's exactly what I wanted. It's the perfect size. It's just magnificent. So if you come through here, here's where my closet office is going to be. This is a different color on the walls. Here I have Sherwin-Williams Pure White. I didn't want to go as warm in here just because my closet system from IKEA isn't as warm. So I'm happy. I was debating doing this in my full house. I'm happy I didn't do this in my full house. It's a little bit cool for, you know, the vibe I was going for, but not much to see here. On this side, there's a wall full of closets, which is why I picked this one to be my closet. This light, I actually got it from Winners, but I broke one of the balls. Here we have just a linen closet. There is a door, there's doors in all of these rooms, but they're in the basement getting painted. And then if you come through here, I have my bedroom. Honestly, I can't wait to decorate. I want to have like a little seating area by the window. I don't know what I'm going to do here, but I'm really excited. I'm getting wall-to-wall curtains, floor-to-ceiling curtains, that I'm going to do myself because I'm not paying $3,000 for curtains. And then in here, we have my closet, which will be my everyday clothes. This light is from Wayfair. I actually got this originally to go in my closet. Don't mind this, I'm missing a little thingy. I love that there's crystals, but it doesn't look so crystally, you know? And then if we come through here, we have my bathroom, which again, I haven't touched it yet. I want to do paneling, I want to add faux plants. I did add a little cove in my shower. I'm going to try to keep it very minimal in there because I like to clutter everything up in my whole life. So I'm going to try not to do that. And then this mirror, I don't know exactly what vibe I'm going for. One thing I did ask for though is no builder mirrors in my house because they are a nightmare to get off. They're just horrific. They rip the wall down with it. And then if we walk out of my bedroom to the right, we have a spare bedroom. It's going to be a spare room. Here you'll see like the lighting is completely different than my bedroom. It is, I want to say north facing, but I would just be lying to you. I have no idea. But it looks a lot more like cooler. It doesn't look warm at all. Whereas in my bedroom, it looks almost like a creamy white. So that's what I mean when I say really pay attention to the lighting you have in the room. And this light up here, I got at Home Depot. It's so cute. I love it. I want to go for like a boho, very relaxing vibe in this spare room. I didn't get my basement finished just because I know people who could finish it for a lot cheaper and they were asking something crazy to finish it. I will start that whole process probably in the summertime, but here I thought I could do like a cute little chair, you know, like maybe like a reading area. I don't know. And then in here, this is the basement. I did opt to get central heating, central air in my house because that's actually not something that is standard, at least not with my builder. So I did opt to get central air, and I don't know what this means, but that's the system that I got. So I do have this scary little room down here, which I guess is just going to be storage. This is the floor, in case you guys were wondering the details of it. So that is my empty house tour. I'm so excited to decorate it and show you guys, so make sure you subscribe for all of that. Like I said, I'm moving in tomorrow, so there will be tons of house content on my channel and a moving vlog, and I'm just really excited for all of it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos every single week. I love you, and I'll see you guys back here next time.